Hello all beautiful hearts, I hope you are enjoying this autumn. Today's video is about dreamcatcher. There is a common belief about dreamcatcher is that it helps to block the bad dreams and catch the good one. I don't know whether these are right or wrong, but I believe that it helps to enhance the beauty of our home. So without talking much, let's start the video. The materials that you need to make this embroidery hoop: some threads, a date tree branch, white threads, and glue and jute rope. For making web, this would be tiresome, so I am using here this little one. I am starting with a tight knot in the hoop. Okay, it's done. Now make some web for the inner portion. I won't cover the whole area because I have some different design, so I left it here. Now with the help of a jute rope, I will tie the branch in the hook. It's ready for the further decoration. For decoration, now I'll make some paper flower. If you have any artificial flower or foam flower, you can use that. As I don't have this right now, so I'm using this paper flower. Now with the help of a toothbrush, I am spreading some color on them. When adding flour, make sure that they are perfectly blended, otherwise it will be wiped out. Now for the decoration of the lower part, I am using some yarns. Here I took 11 string of yarn. You can take more than that if you want. Now I am trimming it to give it a even look. To hang up it in the wall, I am using a piece of rope and tied it upward. It's ready, let's see how it finally looks. Hope you enjoyed this video. Share your opinion in comment section, and if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Share your artwork on Instagram if you recreate it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll be very soon, and till then, stay beautiful.